everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Kenny. Today I'm going to make these Trader Joe's pumpkin chocolate chunk oatmeal cookies and let you know my thoughts on them. They are very easy to make. You just need the mix, an egg, some softened butter, and some water. So let's just get right into baking. So the first thing I noticed with this mix is the chocolate chunks. I mean, they are real nice, substantial chunks. They're not chocolate chips. So I really thought this was an indication of how good they're going to be. And the next was the smell. It was a very nice pumpkin spice smell, very strong. So I thought, that there should be a good amount of spice in this cookie. So I'm excited at this point to try them. So I'm adding the softened butter to the mix and the egg and the water. You can use a stand mixer. I'm using my hand mixer. Stand mixer may be a little bit easier because cookie dough can be very difficult to mix. But my hand mixer worked really well. I just started out on a very slow speed because, as you can see, the mix can fly out of the bowl. A bigger bowl might even be more helpful than what I used. So I'm just going to mix it enough to where the mix starts to come together, and then I'm going to switch to my spatula because it gets very difficult to mix as you go further. So just mix it a little bit, and then I suggest then you mix the rest of the way by hand. So I'm using a Silk Pack 9 cookie sheet. I love using my Silk Pack to bake because nothing sticks to them. And I'm also using my handy dandy cookie scooper to make sure that I have uniform sized cookies. And what I really love about this mix is the color. I mean, it's a vibrant orange color. They just look really, really nice. And you can see the chocolate chunks right there. So I'm going to put on my cookies and on the Silk Pack, and I'm going to bake them per the directions on the can. And then we'll be even closer to tasting these cookies. So the cookies are done. I love how they look while they were baking. My kitchen smelled so good. So I'm going to let them cool on the cookie sheet for about 5 minutes. Then I'll transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. So I want to show you the texture of this cookie. Look how good it looks in the middle. I can tell they're going to be chewy and just taste so good. So let's just get to the taste test. Okay, let's give these a taste. Oh, they smell so good. I see the chunks of chocolate in the middle. Very chewy. These are really good. Chocolate is really good. You do taste the pumpkin, the oatmeal. These cookies are delicious. I'm hoping they're still in Trader Joe's because I'm going to run and get me another can. These are really good. I love them. What can I say? Another hit from Trader Joe's. If you like chewy cookies, pumpkin flavored chocolate, oatmeal, if you like all those things, they're so good all together in this one cookie. Really, really good. Of course, I'm going to give them my thumbs up. I want to thank everybody for watching, tuning in. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you join my viewing family. And until next time, I just wish everybody happy cooking.